We're here at the Blue Mountain Precision High Desert Hunter, presented to you by yours truly, Elman Optics, out here in Vernal, Utah. So pretty close to home. It's nice. So we're ready to roll.
Yeah, a lot nicer weather than our last match, so we're super pumped about that.
Yeah.
But this place is known for some weird wind. But yeah, match starts early tomorrow morning.
Yeah. See you there.
As long as they're in there.
Yeah, they're there. All right, day one. Hiking to our stage.
Saying this your first match?
Yeah, dog. This is sweet. You know, Jess invited me out here, gave me all the gear. Let's go kill some coyotes.
I see. Is it to the pretty camouflage?
Nice.
Not a bad way to start. The first target was a bear that was painted exactly that color. I was sitting there, I could see a T-post with nothing on it. I was like, oh, I think that's it. So once I got on the scope, you could definitely tell it's a target.
You know what? It was better than our first stage at our last match.
Oh, big time.
So,
We didn't time out. What do you think? Is it just dope that went high, or did you pull them?
I don't know.
I don't think your dope was off that much.
Wrong target.
Oh, shit.
Impact, next target. Impact, next target. Next target.
All right, give it 2/10 left.
That one kind of sucked.
No, what happened?
The bowling pin, so when you do miss one, they're so thin, it's hard to tell whether you're left or right. I'm pretty sure I was left. I'd need to bring some magnification out. I got sucked into the first target I saw and shot the second target. So we'll fix it.
And time start.
All right, straight up. You got plenty of time, take your time.
Impact.
Hey, bring it up 2/10, or just a 10th actually.
Impact.
And then go just center.
Impact.
That one wasn't bad. Prairie dogs.
Did you
It's only like a
cord?
2/10
Oh, okay.
high, so it's pretty easy to miss high or low if your elevation's not perfect, but it's pretty easy wind-wise. But not a bad stage.
Match has been awesome so far. I love it. It's a little difficult to find some targets just because they're gray and the gray sagebrush, but the stages and the props we've been using have been really fun. The wind has been mild so far, so I just screwed that up by saying that out loud. But
Impact, next target. Impact.
How'd you do?
well, I hit the one that I found all of the times, so I guess there's that. You gotta know when to hold them and you gotta know when to fold them.
So stage 6 is 2 turkeys.
Near to far.
Yeah. I
And
might have a brain bleed after this because
2
we shoot out
positions.
of a pipe. So
Yeah.
this stage is called TBI.
Turkey brain injury.
Yeah, turkey brain injury.
Center, center. Same hold, nothing's changed. Impact. Center. Leave that.
Mirage is still dead. Go straight up, check dope. Nice, that was center.
I can't hear.
I know, I've got some gritty teeth right now. I'm picking up some Mirage, left to right. Nice center. That was still just a touch low on him, but you're good. Just give it a slight left favor. Nice center. That was still just a touch low on him, but you're good. Take your time, you're good. Nice. That's a dusty stage.
Do you want rear?
Probably on second one.
Okay.
Impact, next target. Impact. Next position, first target. Impact, next target.
There you go.
Impact. Re-engage.
That looked too far left, maybe a touch low. There you go, that was center.
Next target. Impact, next target.
Nice.
Impact. Mag out, action open.
Very nice. Wind is
Cody?
starting to pick up, so that's something we gotta pay more attention to.
Nice shooting, Cody.
Thank you.
Yeah, 390.
I wasn't level, my level's being weird. Just under it. There you go, center. Under it. Give me 2/10 left as well. Bring it up 2 and left 2. Center. Perfectly center. Nice.
12?
13.
13, okay.
Kind of flowed down. I'm gonna give it a right favor, probably like a 0.4.
Just off the right. Give it 2 more tenths. There you go.
All right, I'm up. Did you add those 2/10?
Yep.
Give it a 0.6 on center. Nice, top of the plate.
Okay.
Nice. That last stage was tricky, but it was super fun. 4 targets, 1 position. They're all around 700 to 900 yards. Oh, we gotta shoot. I'll tell you later. All right, wind's picking up, making note. Over here, it's kind of hiding. Nice, that was center. Nice. That looked like it was right through the horn. Nice. That centered it.
Day 1's over. This one's a lot more hot than Oregon. First things. It's also a little bit more tricky with the wind and targets. But I'd say target variety, target size, everything's quite a bit different than the last one we shot, but I'm happy with how we did today. It could have been better, but I'm still happy with it.
Now we're a lot more consistent than we were in Oregon.
Yeah, we were a lot more consistent.
We haven't timed out at all. Rifles are shooting insane.
Yeah.
Big thanks to Blue Mountain Precision for building these rifles for us. Their manners, impact actions, and then he spins up the barrels for them, and they shoot insane.
Yeah,
Incredible rifles. Eric is a stud. Yeah. So if you want an absolute hammer of a rifle, talk to Eric at Blue Mountain.
Yeah, thanks for Eric for the guns and the match. We're here supporting Eric, and he's supporting us, so it's a win-win.
We've been time managing very well. I think that's what we've been doing the best today.
Yeah, even when we get down, we keep it together, we keep it cool, and we still run right through it, so yeah.
Very excited for tomorrow too. All right, we are on
Stage 14.
Stage 14, second stage of day 2 for us.
You guys shot one stage already this morning. How was it?
We did all right.
Yeah, we did okay.
We got a 12. So that was our hiccup stage for the day. So now we're just gonna clean everything.
Yep.
All right,
perfect.
Time starts now.
.38. Just off the left. Give it 2 more tenths right.
All right, yeah, put like 0.6 on center. Nice, that was on his ass.
Okay.
2 minutes, you said? Okay.
Plenty of time.
Still on his ass.
Okay.
All right, pro now. Nice, dude. Very nice.
Thank you. There you go.
Your team?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Where are you starting?
I'll start over here.
Okay.
Gonna be a dusty one.
Way low.
That's me.
Yep.
Dial.
About 2.5 mils. There you go. Center. Okay, right in the neck.
Nice, that was right front shoulder. Nice, that was on his head. That was in the head. Nice.
Thank you.
I appreciate you, Ryan. Thanks very much. It's a combination of a couple companies just getting together, you know, like-minded for all you guys, and without these title sponsors, these matches can't be as great as what this one was, guys. So I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks, Ryan. So thank you, Justin. Appreciate you guys. Great. Kyler? Aha, there he is. I just met you today, so here's a free scope. Congratulations. There you go. Come on up here. You know, your guys' Venmo and cash and everything else that you did. We raised a good chunk of money for these guys to go on more adventures for the time that Beckham has left. So, Beckham, we love you, buddy. And between what we threw in, what the shooters thrown in, and the gracious Justin Jacobson from Utah Air Guns, who put $4,000 on top of that, there's $8,200 going home with you today. So you can
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys, love you, bud. Give me a hug. So, Element Optics again stepped up, and I mean, no questions asked. It was like, I don't know, 3-minute response from Ryan. Yep, we got you, and put another scope on there for one of you guys. All right, he's got number 1. Dan Baston. All right, well, that's awesome. When I met this guy, You're just getting into the sport, right?
Yeah.
Then I built you your first couple rifles, 6.5 Creedmoor.
6.5 Creed and 300 Wisdom.
300 Wisdom.
Yeah.
Now he's taking an awesome scope, put it on his next rifle. So
Thank you, guys.
appreciate it, Dan. Thanks for coming down.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for Blue Mountain Precision High Desert Hunter presented by Element Optics. We ended up 5th overall. I think we shot pretty good. We were more consistent than we were in Oregon.
Yeah, a lot more
on
consistent.
A much more technical match. This one was like NRL Hunter with some PRS targets blended in, so a little bit more challenging targets. They weren't as forgiving as like an animal would be, because, you know, when an animal's broadside to you, you get forgiveness in windage because it's, you know, it could be 2 to 2.5 mils wide. But with these, we shot some diamonds, we shot some squares, circles. There were animal heads.
Yeah, animal heads, horns that we took the opportunity to shoot in between.
Yeah, there's some ram heads shot into the spiral of the horn. We have one more match coming up in Price, so we will do another video of that one.
Hey, look who it is.
Look who we found.
Hey, you didn't think you were getting off the hook that easy without doing an outro, did you? Here you go, buddy.
All right, outro. Hey, we're obviously not at the match anymore. These guys happened to catch me off the road. So we had a great time at the match this weekend. Man, everybody shot great. The whole team, the whole Element team. If you haven't done an NRL Hunter match and you ever get the opportunity to do it, do it. A lot of great people. You always meet new people, fun people. The match directors are doing things obviously for a good cause, for charity too. This time is for a young man that has a brain tumor that's very misfortunate. So the proceeds are going to him. So that was very cool. And we were happy to be a part of that. And Element Optics was repping it strong. So had a great time. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you guys next time.